Hi everyone, we're in Block 23, Jalan Membina, Tiong Bahru, a highly sought after location right smack in the middle of Singapore. My name is Julian and I'm your host for today from OrangeTee and Thai's AAG division. Now, let's check out this unit. Once we enter this unit, let me first orientate you with the door facing. The door is facing south. As you enter, you'll be greeted with a full-length shoe cabinet, and this spacious 4-room flat is 90 square meters. The main attractiveness of this modern unit is that it has a great layout with 3 good-sized rooms. All the fittings in this unit have been planned thoughtfully. We have a modern kitchen sprinkled with a dash of red for those who like to see some color in their life. The bathrooms are in pristine condition, and all the rooms, including the living room, are fully air-conditioned. In the master bedroom, you can see lots of wardrobe spaces have been allocated to the missus. So all you guys out there have no excuse when your wife buys more clothes. For those who are newlyweds, there's a connecting door between the master bedroom and the adjacent common room. This is especially useful when you have your newborn. Mommy can be in the other room tending to the baby without disturbing daddy in the night during feeding times. Let me share with you a secret. There's a full sheltered walkway all the way to Tiong Bahru MRT from this block. Yes, this means that during the rainy season, if you forget your umbrella, you don't have to worry about getting drenched. Tiong Bahru is just a 6 to 10 minutes drive to Central Orchard as well as the CBD. From our unit, it is just a 5 to 7 minute walk to Tiong Bahru Plaza and the MRT. If you do stay here, you'll definitely be spoiled for choice with hundreds of food options. Now give us a call to view this wonderful unit today. We are more than happy to show you around.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.